PhD. Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Ibu sudah belas di sini dah sekali.
Ito guys, yung mango flavor na drinks.
Okay. No, we know. Stay on the sea. In the hotel?
Be, okay lang tayo sama ka sa video?
In the hotel.
You are in the hotel now?
Yeah, and lunch.
We went to Terrace Park. Like we went in the beside the sea,
The lake?
the lake.
The lake. Ah.
And we ride a boat.
Oh, it's nice. The boat with the pedals? No pedals? Ah, you pay? Ah, the big one. Ah, the big one. The somebody drive. Ah, I've been also like that.
The one who just go around.
Yeah. And you don't try the bike? Before I try also the bike.
We didn't have enough time.
Yeah. Tomorrow go back?
We're all set. Let's go.
Ford is dead. And the dog also dead. It means they travel night time.
Holiday kasi ngayon guys, kaya sobrang tahimik. Wala akong pasok ng pang-umaga kasi yung mga amo ko teacher. Sa pang-umaga ko na trabaho, yung mga amo ko teacher. Kaya matutulog daw sila. Maaga kasi ako pumupunta sa kanila. Kaya ayaw daw nila muna nang maglinis ako. Pero maya, punta ako sa clinic.